Hamilton. Big John, tab number 5, Crown Rich, Tom Hermer, the erstwhile pacing king here at Hawthorne. I strung along with last week's winner, number 6, Corden, and B. Farber Erdman. The story of the 6th, the featured Derby Prep right now. And they're off. Stir Fry going to the lead. Anxious Robbie is right there. There goes Crown Rich, followed by Jeff's Gladiator, Son of a Bunny, and Corden. The first two in a ding-dong battle. Anxious Robbie parked out there with Stir Fry down along the rail second. Then a gap of 3, Crown Rich. Ranging up on the outside now in third, Jeff's Gladiator. Fourth, the length and a half, Son of a Bunny. Fifth, the length and a half, and Corden is 6th and last. Out of the turn, Anxious Robbie takes a clear 2-length lead, and they begin their long journey up the back stretch. 29 and 1, Anxious Robbie controls the race by 2. Stir Fry stalks the leader, racing in second. That's Crown Rich right there, third by 2. Jeff's Gladiator, fourth, Son of a Bunny, and Corden. The 6 of them are toe-to-toe, positions unchanged. Halfway up the backstretch, Anxious Robbie now accelerates. Anxious Robbie opens up a 2.5 length lead. Stir Fry still in pursuit, second by 2. Crown Rich still right there, racing third. Jeff's Gladiator, Son of a Bunny, Corden out of 6th. They're halfway home, 58 and 3. Anxious Robbie is the one to catch. Anxious Robbie circles the far turn, 2.5 lengths. Stir Fry under her jeans, second by 2.5 lengths. Crown Rich driving out there now in third, Son of a Bunny. Jeff's Gladiator followed by Corden. Now they turn for home. Anxious Robbie still there by 2. Stir Fry, Crown Rich mounts a challenge to the outside now in third, but it's still Anxious Robbie. Here they come, spinning out of the turn. Anxious Robbie now by 2. Stir Fry down along the rail, racing second. Crown Rich in third. Son of a Bunny, Jeff's Gladiator, and Corden down the stretch, coming to the 8th ball. Anxious Robbie still there by 2.5 lengths. Coming on is Jeff's Gladiator. Dropping back is Crown Rich, and along the rail, Stir Fry. Anxious Robbie, Jeff's Gladiator charging. Anxious Robbie hangs tough. Here's Jeff's Gladiator. Jeff's Gladiator pouring it on. Jeff's Gladiator takes it. Anxious Robbie second. Stir Fry third.